Hi guys, how to fix Roblox fail to load library SensAPI.dll error, and I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this error, so make sure you watch this entire video. So first thing cause this error is your date and time. So first go to the Windows search, type the settings and open that. And now here you have to just look for the time and language. Just click on the time and language settings and make sure the set the time automatically is on. After that, scroll down and click on the sync now option, and after that just check your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, then this next solution will fix your problem 100%. So open up your any browser, and here in the Google search box just type the DLL files and just hit the enter. Now open up the first website which says the download missing DLL files, and now here in the search for your missing DLL files just type the SensAPI.dll. Now hit the enter, and now just click on the first file which says the SensAPI.dll. Scroll down and you will see the architecture 64. Just click on this download option, and now the download will start in seconds. So you need to just wait for it, and you need to make sure that you downloaded the 64-bit version. After that, just drag and drop this into your desktop, and now you can right click on the WinRAR file. Just click on the extract here, and after that just delete these files, and after that just also delete the second file. So after this guys, now right click on your file and click on the copy and copy this file, and now you have to open up your file explorer, and now you go to the local disk C where your operating system is installed. You have to open up the disk where your operating system is installed, and now go to the Windows folder, and now here you have to just look for the system32 folder. Just scroll down until you find the system32 folder and just open it. Now here you have to just right click on the paste. So I have already this file in my system32. This is why they're showing the error. So I can just skip the file, but you have to paste this file in this folder. After that, just restart your PC, and after the restart, your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix the Sense API error. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please make sure you like this video, because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.